It feels like a miracle. It really does. Woo! I'm just amazed that people who don't even know me are willing to pitch in and do all this hard work for me and my family. I bought the house in 1989. My oldest son and his daughter, Abigail, and me were the 3 occupants right now. I'm really not physically able to do a lot of the work required to maintain a home. I was in a car accident in 1977, and my income dropped drastically when I went on disability. It's making the house look so much better. It'll be a lot safer to live in. My bathroom floor is about ready to fall through. Trimming all my bushes, trees, repairing siding, and the drainage on the roof for the gutters helps the entire neighborhood and my neighbors because they don't have to worry about my home. I'm just amazed. I can't believe that I was actually selected to have all this done. I feel like I still need to pinch myself to see if it's really true. I'm just so overwhelmed with appreciation for having all this done.